Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the Noise Shots Neo truly wireless earphones. So these are icy white, it says over here, and let's see what the specifications are. So it's running on the Noise Shots Neo truly wireless earphones. They are running on Bluetooth version 5.0. It has a range of 10 meters. It supports profiles HSP, HFP, A2DP and AVRCP. So these are some of the audio codecs or the audio profiles that it supports. It has 6 hours of playtime. The earbud charging time is 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours is what it takes to charge the earbuds fully. It has an IPX5 waterproof rating, so it could get a little wet. And of course it has voice assistant support. It offers Siri and Google Assistant. Okay. In the box you get a pair of earbuds, a charging cable, a user manual and some extra ear tips. So we're just going to open that up and we're going to check it out. So let's go ahead and do that. So just pull it out like that. So there you go. These are the Noise Shots Neo. This is the case. This is the charging case that comes. It has a USB Type-C charger at the back. Okay, it opens up like that, and the actual earbuds themselves, they don't come in the charging case when you buy them. As you can see, they are sort of just here. So these are actually the earbuds. I'll just hold it up a little closer so you can actually see them. So there you go. So these are actually the earbuds, the Noise Shot Neo, and these tips do actually come out. These are silicone tips. They do actually come out. You can actually change them, and in order to charge them you just need to slip them in there. As you can see, the lights are in. This is actually shining, so these are actually charging right now. Apart from that, what else do you get? As I said, you get your USB Type-C charging cable. You have some extra ear tips, and you have some documents, of course, and there's a quick pairing guide. So there you are, folks. That's what all you get in the box when you buy the Noise Shots Neo truly wireless earphones. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.